Hey, it's Andy from Antek Automation. Today we're talking about AI chatbot accuracy and specifically why this matters a lot more than most businesses realize before they deploy one. There's been a fair bit of noise recently about inconsistencies in AI outputs, and if you're a service business or tradesperson thinking about using an AI tool to handle customer inquiries, you need to understand this before you commit. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through what conflicting outputs actually are, why accuracy has to come before everything else, and the practical steps to test any AI tool properly before it goes anywhere near your customers. Here's the thing with AI chatbots. The sales pitch is usually about features, natural conversation, 24/7 availability, integrations with your CRM, and all of that sounds great. But none of it matters if the AI is giving different answers to different customers asking the same question. We call this conflicting outputs, and it's exactly what it sounds like. The same AI tool asks the same question twice, gives two different answers. One customer is told you cover emergency callouts in Manchester. Another customer 10 minutes later is told you don't. One prospect gets quoted one rate, another gets quoted something different. When that happens, customers don't shrug and say the AI made a mistake. They think your business is unreliable, disorganized, or that someone's trying to pull a fast one. The reputational damage lands on you, not the software vendor. For UK service businesses where trust and word of mouth are everything, that's a serious problem. So let's talk about what you can actually do about it. Tip number 1. Understand why accuracy matters more than features. Most AI vendors lead with impressive capabilities, multiple languages, personality customization, platform integrations. These things mean nothing if the fundamental outputs are unreliable. For service businesses, you're often giving out information that customers will hold you to: prices, service areas, availability, whether you're gas safe registered or NICE approved. If the AI gets any of that wrong or inconsistent, you've got a problem that no fancy feature set can fix. Reliability is the foundation. Everything else is decoration. Number 2, build a test scenario library before you go anywhere near a live deployment. Write down 20 to 30 common questions your business actually receives. Pricing queries, service area questions, availability, trade specific technical questions. Then ask the AI the same questions multiple times in different phrasings at different times of day and document every response. You looking for consistency. If you're getting different answers to the same question, that's a red flag before a single real customer has been affected. Number 3, test the edge cases, not just the straightforward ones. Ask ambiguous questions. Give the AI incomplete information. See how it handles situations where it doesn't have a clear answer. Does it admit uncertainty or does it make something up? An AI that confidently fabricates an answer is far more dangerous than one that says it doesn't know. You want to see graceful handling of uncertainty. Something like, "I'm not sure about that one, let me get a human to follow up with you," is infinitely better than a confident wrong answer. By the way, there's a full written version of this on the blog if you want the detail. Links in the show notes. Number 4. Check for consistency over time, not just at setup. BK tag 0 AI systems get updated. Their underlying models change. What's accurate today might drift over the next few months as the vendor pushes updates. Build in a habit of rerunning your test questions every few weeks, especially after you notice any changes in how the tool behaves. This isn't a one-off job, it's an ongoing part of running AI responsibly in your business. Number 5, ground the AI with a proper knowledge base and clear instructions. Many accuracy problems come down to the AI making things up because it hasn't been given the right information. Most decent tools let you feed in a knowledge base, your service list, pricing, coverage areas, policies, and set strict instructions about what the AI should and shouldn't say. The tighter and more specific that grounding is, the less room there is for the AI to go off script. If the vendor doesn't let you do this, that's a significant concern. Number 6, never remove human oversight entirely, especially in the early stages. Run a parallel period where the AI handles inquiries. but a human reviews every response before it goes to the customer. This is the most reliable way to catch problems in a controlled environment before any damage is done. Even once you're live, you should have regular audits of AI interactions, clear escalation paths for questions that AI can't reliably handle, and human authority over anything involving pricing commitments or service promises. Number 7, use a proper vetting checklist before you commit budget to any AI tool. Ask the vendor, can they provide documented accuracy rates? What happens when the AI doesn't know an answer? Does it admit uncertainty or guess? How quickly can you disable the AI if problems emerge? Can you easily update the knowledge base when your pricing or services change? Is there an audit trail showing what the AI told customers? If a vendor can't answer these questions clearly or tries to rush you into going live, walk away. This is one area where taking your time up front saves a lot of pain later. So to recap, AI chatbots can give conflicting answers to the same question, and when that happens, the reputational damage falls on your business, not the vendor. Accuracy has to come before features. Build a test scenario library and run it properly before going live. Test edge cases and check for consistency over time. Ground the AI with a tight knowledge base. Keep human oversight in place, especially early on, and vet your vendor thoroughly before you spend a penny. Get those basics right and AI can be genuinely useful. Get them wrong and you're handing customers a reason to go elsewhere. That's your quick tip for today. If you want to see how AI automation can help your business, head to antekautomation.com or give us a bell on 0333 038 9960. BKTAGAG service.